Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, we have got a comprehensive pallet jack repair guide. In this video, we're going to show you how to repair some of the most common issues that can affect your pallet jack performance and safety and provide you with a step-by-step repair guide. So, let's get started. One of the most common problems with pallet jacks is when they won't lift the load or won't lift it high enough. This can be caused by several reasons, such as low hydraulic fluid level, air in the hydraulic system, faulty release valve, damaged pump piston or cylinder, or worn-out seals. To fix this issue, you'll need to check the following. Hydraulic fluid level. Make sure the fluid level is between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. If it's too low, add more fluid until it reaches the proper level. Use only the recommended type of fluid for your pallet jack model. Air in the hydraulic system. If there's air in the system, you'll need to bleed it out by pumping the handle several times until you hear a hissing sound. Then lower the forks and repeat until no more air comes out. Release valve. The release valve is located on the pump and controls the lowering of the forks. If it's stuck or damaged, it can prevent the pallet jack from lifting. To check if it's working properly, turn it clockwise until it stops and then turn it counterclockwise 1/4 turn. If it doesn't move or feels loose, you'll need to replace it. Pump piston or cylinder. The pump piston or cylinder is responsible for creating the hydraulic pressure that lifts the forks. If it's worn or damaged, it can leak fluid and reduce the lifting capacity. To check if it's faulty, look for signs of fluid leakage around the pump area. If you see any, you'll need to replace the pump assembly or rebuild it with a repair kit. Worn-out seals. The seals are rubber rings that prevent fluid from leaking out of the pump and cylinder. Over time, they can wear out and cause leakage and loss of pressure. To check if they're worn out, look for signs of fluid leakage around the pump area. If you see any, you'll need to replace the seals with new ones. Another common problem with pallet jacks is when they can't hold the load at a certain height or when they slowly lower it without being released. A hydraulic pump that loses pressure or exhibits leaks can be a critical concern. Typically, this issue arises from damaged seals or worn-out O-rings within the hydraulic system. Start by identifying and replacing any damaged seals or O-rings in the affected areas. Simultaneously, inspect the hydraulic lines for leaks and repair them promptly. Maneuverability issues often stem from worn or damaged wheels. The wheels are essential for moving and steering your pallet jack smoothly and safely. If they're worn or damaged, they can cause friction, noise, vibration, steering difficulty, or instability. Here's what you need to do. Inspect the wheels for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice flat spots, cracks, or excessive wear, it's time to replace the wheels. Install new wheels, ensuring they are securely fastened. Most pallet jacks feature wheels that are easily replaceable, requiring minimal tools. Ensure that the replacement wheels are compatible with your pallet jack model and follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation. Test the pallet jack to ensure the new wheels rotate freely and function properly. We have made a detailed video on how to replace pallet jack wheels. Go check out its link in the description. An unresponsive or hard-to-operate handle can be attributed to air trapped in the hydraulic system. Begin by bleeding air from the system. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the specific bleeding procedure, ensuring that all air pockets are removed. If the issue persists, inspect the handle mechanism for malfunctions. It might require lubrication, adjustment, or replacement, depending on the extent of the damage. Let's see how we can fix this. Handle misalignment. When the handle of your pallet jack becomes difficult to pump or lower, this can stem from misalignment problems. Check the handle alignment. It should be in the neutral position when not being pumped or lowered. If misalignment is evident, move the handle to the neutral position and tighten any loose screws or bolts. Test the pallet jack to see if the handle operates smoothly now. If not, further investigation may be needed. Bent, loose, or broken handle linkage. The handle linkage is the mechanism that connects the handle to the pump. If it's bent, loose, or broken, it can affect the pumping and lowering action. To check if it's faulty, look for any signs of damage or misalignment on the linkage. If you find any, you'll need to replace or repair it. Broken or missing handle spring. The handle spring returns the handle to its original position after pumping or lowering. If it's weak, broken, or missing, it can affect the pumping and lowering action. To check if it's faulty, look for any signs of damage or absence on the spring. Worn out or damaged handle bushing. The handle bushing allows the handle to pivot smoothly and securely. If it's worn or damaged, it can cause friction, noise, or looseness. To check if it's faulty, look for any signs of wear or damage on the bushing. If you find any, you'll need to replace it. Misalignment issues can hinder the smooth movement of a pallet jack. Misalignment of forks and frame can cause uneven lifting, load tilting, steering difficulty, or instability. To fix this issue, you'll need to check the following. Fork alignment. The fork alignment is the angle and direction of the forks relative to each other and to the frame. If they're not parallel to the ground in neutral position, they can cause uneven lifting or load tilting. To check if they're correct, measure the distance between the tips and heels of both forks. Frame alignment. The frame alignment is the angle and direction of the frame relative to the ground. If it's not horizontally aligned to the ground, it can cause steering difficulty or instability. To check if it's correct, use a level tool to measure the angle of the frame on both sides and front and back. If it's not level, you'll need to adjust it by loosening or tightening the frame bolts until it's aligned. Next in line is the worn out or damaged forks. Forks are critical components of a pallet jack, and their wear or damage can compromise the equipment's efficiency and safety. Regularly inspect the forks for cracks, bends, or signs of excessive wear. This preventive maintenance measure ensures the structural integrity of the pallet jack and prevents potential accidents during operation. Another common issue is the inoperative brakes. Inoperative brakes can be a serious safety concern. If your pallet jack's brakes are not functioning correctly, follow these steps for repair. Inspect the brakes for any signs of damage or excessive wear. If you notice any issues, such as worn brake pads, replace them with new ones. Adjust the brakes to ensure proper functionality. Uneven lifting or load tilting is another common problem with pallet jacks. This can be caused by various factors, such as misaligned lift arms or uneven load distribution. Here's how you can address this issue. Ensure proper weight distribution on the pallet before operation. If the issue persists, inspect the lifting mechanism for damage or misalignment. Adjust or replace components as necessary to restore the pallet jack's ability to lift loads evenly and securely. Electric pallet jacks may encounter power-related issues. If you're experiencing power problems with your electric pallet jack, follow these steps. Check the battery and ensure it is fully charged. If not, charge it properly using the manufacturer's specifications. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion or looseness. Clean and tighten them if necessary. Examine the wiring connections for any loose or damaged wires. Repair or replace as needed. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consult a professional for further troubleshooting. No repair is complete without the right parts. If you want to source the right pallet jack parts for your repair needs, Pallet Jackson stand right behind you. At Pallet Jackson, we have a wide variety of aftermarket, new, and used parts of all makes and models of pallet jacks. From hydraulic to electric and load support parts, we have it all in stock. Check out our website by following the link in the description. You can call us at 832-239-5393 or email at info@palletjackson.com for personalized one-on-one consultation. We are available Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And there you have it with a comprehensive repair guide for pallet jacks. By addressing common issues promptly and following the step-by-step repair guides provided in this video, you can keep your pallet jack in optimal working condition, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity in your warehouse or distribution center. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult a professional if you're unsure about any repair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on pallet jacks. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.